Rachel's hands trembled as she read the letter from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. The words blurred through her tears. Her spousal sponsorship application had been refused. She and her husband Jonah had spent months apart, enduring the ache of distance, believing that their lawyer, Mr. Preston, would handle everything. After all, their case was straightforward. No criminal records, no complicated histories, just two people in love, desperate to build a life together in Canada. But Mr. Preston, distracted by more lucrative and complex files, had neglected their case. He missed critical deadlines and failed to submit essential documents, despite Rachel's repeated emails and phone calls. Each time, he reassured her, "Don't worry, your file is easy. I'll get to it soon." But soon never came. When the refusal arrived, Rachel's world collapsed. The consequences were immediate and devastating. Rachel, who had left her job overseas in anticipation of joining Jonah, now faced unemployment and uncertainty. Jonah, racked with guilt and anger, watched his wife spiral into depression. Their dreams of starting a family, buying a home, and building a future in Canada seemed to dissolve overnight. The couple's savings dwindled as they paid rent for 2 apartments in 2 countries, and Rachel's visitor status was about to expire. One evening, as Jonah confided in his colleague Ronnie, he broke down in the office kitchen. Ronnie listened carefully, then leaned in and said, "You need someone who actually cares. Call Mieza Asmo-Azim at Moving Life Immigration Solutions. She's a legal counsel and RCIC. She helped my cousin win an impossible case." Desperate, Jonah reached out. Mieza listened compassionately, then meticulously reviewed their file. She immediately spotted the glaring errors: missing forms, absent supporting documents, and, most damning, a complete lack of communication from Mr. Preston about the deadlines and requirements. Mieza explained that Rachel could appeal on the grounds of ineffective assistance of counsel, citing legal precedents that protected clients from being penalized for their lawyer's negligence. With hope rekindled, Mieza prepared a detailed appeal and request for reconsideration. She provided a point-by-point analysis, demonstrating how Mr. Preston's inaction and disregard had directly led to the refusal. She argued passionately that Rachel and Jonah should not suffer for mistakes that were not their own, referencing established case law that recognized the right to competent legal representation. The wait for a decision was agonizing. Rachel and Jonah clung to each other, their faith in the system restored only by Mieza's dedication and expertise. When the call finally came, approval granted, refusal overturned, the relief was overwhelming. Tears of joy replaced months of anxiety, and Rachel booked her flight to Canada, this time with certainty.
We owe our future to Mieza and the team at Moving Life Immigration Solutions. They didn't just fix a legal problem, they gave us our life back.
If you found Rachel and Jonah's story moving, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For expert help with your immigration matters, connect with us at Moving Life Immigration Solutions, Inc. We offer full-scope services to guide you every step of the way because your future deserves the best. This story is not a work of fiction. However, all names and identifying details have been changed to protect the privacy of those involved.